Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French once again. To learn French step by step, all you need is to just subscribe our channel and like our videos. Now in this video, we are going to learn the French alphabet pronunciation. Well, for your knowledge, French also has same 26 alphabets like A to Z like in English, only their pronunciations are different. Now we are going to do the pronunciation today. A, that is A, avion, a plane. B, that's ballon, a ball. C is called C, crayon, a pencil. D, it is they, dolphin, a dolphin. E, it is a elephant, an elephant. F is like English F, fee, a girl. G is called G, garçon, a boy. H, it is called H, horloge, a clock. I is called E, ill, an island. J is called J, jupe, a skirt. K is called K, kangaroo, a kangaroo. L, again it is like in English L, livre, a book. M, like English it is M, maison, a house. N, that's again like in English N, nid, it's a nest. O, similarly like English, oiseau, that's bird. P, it is pomme, an apple. Q, it's again like English Q, question, that's a question. R, that's air, règle, scale. S, exactly like English it is S, soleil, that's a sun. T, it is tigre, a tiger. U, again like English it is usine, a factory. V, it is vache, a cow. W is called wagon, that's a carriage. X, it is xylophone, a xylophone. Y is called yak, that's a yak. And the last, that is Z, is called zebra, a zebra. So you can see there are some different pronunciations in French language. So we'll do all together once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well, if you like this video, just click the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get a lot of new videos like this learning French. And yes, also click the bell button so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Till then, enjoy yourself. Happy learning French.